What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Imagine stepping into a world where every sound, every whisper, and every explosion feels like it's happening right next to you. Welcome to the future of home entertainment, courtesy of the LG S95TR 9.1.5 channel OLED Evo TV matching home theater soundbar. This incredible piece of technology is about to change the way you experience movies, games, and music forever. One of the standout features of the LG S95TR is its premium three-dimensional sound, powered by Dolby Atmos and DTS X technology. This means you get a 9.1.5 channel soundbar that literally elevates your home theater sound to new heights. Imagine watching your favorite movie with sound that's not just coming from in front of you, but from above and around you as well. It's an immersive experience that will make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Whether you're a fan of action movies or you prefer a good thriller, the premium 3D sound of the LG S95TR will make every viewing experience unforgettable. But what really sets the LG S95TR apart is its innovative rear speakers. These aren't just any rear speakers. They're up-firing, meaning they can be positioned anywhere in the room to create a truly immersive audio experience. And the best part? They're completely wireless, so you don't need any special receiver or complicated setup. Just plug them in, pair them with your soundbar, and you're good to go. This means that whether you have a large room or a small one, you can create a surround sound system that's tailored to your unique space. The up-firing rear speakers are a game changer, and they're a major reason why the LG S95TR is one of the most exciting home theater systems on the market today. Another feature that's worth talking about is the LG S95TR's triple up-firing speaker system. This includes an industry-exclusive up-firing center channel that's specifically designed to focus on dialogue clarity. What this means is that you get a wider and richer soundstage, with crystal-clear dialogue that makes every movie and TV show feel more engaging and realistic. The triple up-firing speakers are a key part of what makes the LG S95TR so immersive, and they're a major reason why this soundbar is a must-have for anyone who loves great sound. But the LG S95TR isn't just about great sound. It's also about convenience and ease of use. That's where the WOW Orchestra feature comes in. This innovative technology allows you to use the audio from your LG TV and LG soundbar together, creating the ultimate listening experience. With WOW Orchestra, you can feel every detail of sound, from the deepest bass notes to the highest treble frequencies. And the best part? You can control everything with just one remote, making it easy to adjust the settings and get the perfect sound for whatever you're watching. Whether you're a fan of music, movies, or games, the WOW Orchestra feature is a total game changer. Finally, let's talk about the WOW interface, which lets you control your soundbar and your LG TV with just one remote. This means you can adjust the volume, check the connection status, and even select a sound mode on the screen, all from the comfort of your couch. It's a small feature, but it's one that makes a big difference in terms of convenience and ease of use. With the LG S95TR, you get a seamless and intuitive user experience that lets you focus on what really matters, enjoying great sound and great entertainment. In conclusion, the LG S95TR 9.1.5 channel OLED Evo TV matching home theater soundbar is an absolute powerhouse of a system. With its premium 3D sound, innovative rear speakers, triple up-firing speaker system, WOW Orchestra feature, and WOW interface, it's the perfect choice for anyone who loves great sound and great entertainment. So if you're looking to take your home theater experience to the next level, look no further than the LG S95TR.